Why bruxism is super important around dental implants. Bruxism becomes important when we are restoring the implant. A patient who's a bruxer should be informed that after the implant is restored, they need to wear an occlusal guard. Why implants are more prone to trauma to occlusion compared to natural teeth? Implants do not have PDLs. There are no shock absorbers around dental implants. So any heavy occlusal forces are transferred to the dental implants, and a lot of times we start seeing bone remodeling. And if continues, you're going to start seeing the loss of osteointegration.